Do you know that one of the world's largest graveyards, Makli Cemetery, holds within it a history of 700 years and countless secrets? Here, kings, sufis, generals, and common people are buried side by side, yet their graves still raise many questions. Why is Makli so significant? And what are the astonishing facts about it that very few people know? In today's video, we will uncover the mysterious past of Makli, so make sure to watch till the end. Introduction to Makli. Located near the city of Fatah in the Sindh province of Pakistan, Makli Cemetery is not only one of the largest in the Indian subcontinent but also one of the oldest in the world. Covering an area of approximately 10 square kilometers, it is home to more than 500,000 graves. In 1981, UNESCO declared it a World Heritage Site. Historical background of Makli. Makli Cemetery was established in the 14th century when rulers, scholars, sufis, and common people chose it as their final resting place. The tombs and graves here not only signify the importance of those buried but also showcase the architectural brilliance and artistic mastery of that era. Magnificent architecture of Makli's tombs. Some of the most famous tombs include 1. Tomb of Jamni-Zamuddin Nando, or ruler of the Samad dynasty who contributed significantly to Makli's development. 2. Tombs of Tarkhan and Arghan rulers, magnificent structures belonging to the Turkic rulers who governed Sindh before the Mughals. 3. Tomb of Isa Khan Tarkhan, known for its stunning dome and exceptional calligraphy. 4. Grave of my Makli, a legendary figure after whom Makli is believed to have been named. Mysterious tales of Makli. Makli is not just known for its historical significance and grand tombs, many mysterious stories are also linked to this graveyard. According to local legends, strange sounds can be heard at night, and some believe the site is inhabited by spirits and jinns. Several people claim to have seen glowing orbs and shadowy figures moving among the graves at night, while others have reported hearing eerie whispers. The decline of Makli and its current condition. Once a great historical site, Makli is now rapidly deteriorating. Environmental changes, heavy rainfall, and human negligence have led to the destruction of many graves. If immediate action is not taken by the government and the public, this historical treasure may soon turn into nothing but ruins. Conclusion. Makli Cemetery is a priceless cultural and historical heritage that we must preserve. It serves as a reminder of our history, past glories, and the extraordinary individuals who rest here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more historical stories. Until the next video, with more secrets from the lost pages of history, take care and goodbye.